three factors which determine the number of grafts that we use for any hair transplant. Then number one would definitely be the amount of baldness that we have. So obviously, if you have a large area of baldness, then the graft used will be more. If you have a smaller area, accordingly the grafts used will be less. Now the second factor would be the condition of your donor area. So if you have a good thick density donor area, then definitely we can harvest more grafts from it. But if you have a sparse looking thin density donor area, then we have to be mindful of the amount of grafts that we can take from a donor area, because it should not leave your donor area looking very thin and sparse. The third factor that determines the amount of hair grafts would also be the condition of the recipient area, which means that if you have an area which is scarred or an area which has had some infections or dermatitis kind of conditions before, which we have treated already, but still in these areas we would like the grafts to have more breathing space and not tightly pack them, so that the graft loss is less. Now another factor that I would like to point out over here is your general health condition, which is if you have thyroid disease or if you are a diabetic, then I would advise you to stay away from mega hair transplant in one session and actually stage your hair transplant in 2 sessions so that you can have the benefit of a good survival of graft after your hair transplant. So I hope that this video will help you in choosing right, and that not always a very huge number of graft leads to a successful procedure. So if you have questions regarding your hair transplant, definitely write them in the comment box below and we shall try our best to answer them. Do follow our channel SB Trichology for hair health related information. We also have another channel by the name of SB Aesthetics, and there we post information about plastic surgery. Thank you for watching.